So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact journal love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of March 2026. Roles can be reversed also. Not resonating, definitely not your story. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now, Libra. Let's see. Because you're a Libra, it's not now, it's now. Okay. I have a new vocabulary for you guys. Let's see the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment, honey. We have the Hanged Man, the Nine of Swords, and the Strength card. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so they are shifting their focus on the important things of their life, and they're trying their best to put in the effort and energy in that direction where they are going to get something good in return. That's what they're feeling. For the situation on a deeper level, now they are trying to understand what is meaningful for them. What is that one thing, or what are those people or situations or things that are actually good for them, that are actually meant for them for their growth and happiness. When it comes to the conscious level, we have the Hanged Man, Nine of Swords, the Strength card. This person is feeling like they should keep themselves in their lane, because whenever they think about this connection, about this bond, all they get is stressful energies, sleepless nights, anxiety, a lot of conflict and chaos and fights and whatnot. Maybe the situation is not that much worse the way they are making it in their head, but whenever they are feeling like they should come towards you, they should do something about the situation, it gives them a lot of anxiety and stressful energies. That is why they feel like they should hold back. These are two major arcana cards. Hanged Man represents somebody here who is trying to see things from a different perspective, but they are not feeling like doing anything about it. They are just in the taking a chill pill kind of a mode. Strength here represents holding back. Even if it is taking them a lot of strength and courage to hold back and not to do anything in this direction, they are choosing to hold back because this is the right thing according to them. This is like what they feel to do in this direction, in this situation between you and them. So they feel like holding back and staying in their lane, because whenever they feel like they should come forward, it gives them a lot of stressful energies, and they feel like they should not engage in anything stressful between you and them. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Devil, World, Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck is a Nine of Wands. They just want to keep their guards up. This person wants to keep themselves safe at any cost from this particular situation. This seems to be a very unhealthy, very addictive, possessive, or very like something in the situation is very unhealthy, and they just don't want to participate in the situation. Maybe a third party connection, or somebody or something that's based on lust only. There's no love, there is lust only. There's obsessiveness, addictive energies, and some kind of possessiveness. So they want to end this unhealthy chapter between you and them. Even if it is disappointing them, they just want to end this chapter with you because of the unhealthy and unhealthy patterns, unhealthy energies, and addictive kind of. I'm not getting the exact word here, Libra, but you're getting my point. This person just want to keep their guards up because they don't want to allow any kind of unhealthy attachment, any unhealthy energy, or unhealthy pattern to repeat in their love and relationship area again. For you also, even if they are disappointing themselves by not being able to connect or reconnect with you again, this is what they want to do. This is what they want to choose. They want to just stay away from the situation because this is making sense to them. So right now, this person wants to listen to their logical side, listen to their head instead of their heart. And in their heart also, whenever they start feeling anything about this situation, for this connection, they start feeling anxious. Their body is giving up, and that's why they feel like, okay, they should just stay away from the situation for good. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, March 2026. We have the Nine of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. They are going to remain detached from the idea of connecting or reconnecting with you. They are going to be in this energy of trying to cut this situation out of their life, out of their system for the time being. And on a conscious level, Nine of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, they are choosing something else or someone else over the situation, because that something else or that someone else is giving them a lot of maturity, mature, grounded, and stable kind of energies to work with. So they're shifting their focus from this situation to something stable or someone stable, because that is making them feel happy, that is making them feel like they're gaining something, they're getting something in their life, they're getting somewhere in their life. And they are definitely in this energy of, okay, let me choose my stability, my happiness over this situation that sucks. So okay, they're just trying to cut the situation out of their life, out of their system. I don't see them taking any kind of action in this direction whatsoever till the end of this month, 2026, March 2026. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Libra. We have the Justice, the Queen of Wands, the Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Swords. Stop watching this person. Stop being so curious about this person's life. Stop stalking them if you are doing that. If not, then of course it's not for you. You might be very curious about what they are up to, what they are doing, who they are with, what are they doing in their life, are they happy without me. Stop doing this nonsense first of all if you are doing that. Second thing, this curiosity about other person's life is not going to give you anything good in return. Just because it used to work out in the past at some point of time, it doesn't mean it's going to work out again and again and again. This situation is in the past for a very, very valid reason, Libra, and you should never forget the reason of why this situation is in the past, why this person is not with you right now at this present moment. So you have to do the justice with yourself. You have to calm down your horses. You have to get out of that la la land or that world that you have created around you regarding this particular person or situation, where something was really, really, really beautiful and meaningful at some point of time, then it stopped working. Yeah. So just because it was working out in the past, it doesn't mean it's going to work out like permanently. That's the guidance for you. Let the past be in the past, and do not forget the reason why this situation is in the past for what is the reason. Don't forget the why. Okay, don't forget the why of like this situation being in the past. Wow, that's tough. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate with you. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. Just let it be. If you're not going to get a proper yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance or take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and pause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is choose a new direction. Let me read for you guys. Choose a new direction. These cards deal with your path or the direction you're taking. For example, let's say you have come to the cards because you're yearning to start a new connection or reconnection, and you pull this choose a new direction card. Remember, this is not the no card in this deck, so there is more to this message. This card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you're going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. That's the answer for you. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.